All right, everybody, check that out. What did that say right there? That says Columbia County, Georgia Department of Building Standards, project description, Seigler's Karate Center. We got the permit and we are working. Walking in the front door of what's going to be the new student center side of the SKC. As you can see, we've been tearing stuff out in here. They got all kind of stuff going on. This is I think it's the 8th. Yeah, today is Tuesday the 8th. Got countertops tore out, got cut in stuff moving along here, got offices, got all this framing. This is going to look crazy to you guys and gals. All this framing of the different rooms that's been going on. Like I say, this is a new student center side. This will be office in here. Nice office. This is going to be our intro room in here. Walking down the hall. We got offices over here. We got a men's restroom over here, 2 of those. We got a SKC team break room for all the team members here. We got a hallway here leading to the women's restroom. What's going to be the women's restroom, which is going to be right here. So this is, ladies, y'all got a big old bathroom coming for you. And then you walk on out here, and then right along this wall, right in this area right here is going to be water fountains. And then we're going to have our bleachers. Yes, that's right. We are going to be going bleachers in here, 42 feet long of bleachers in here for y'all to sit in. And they'll come about 6 feet out. They'll leave about a 4-foot walkway right down through here where you're seeing. And then the main part of the school, the most important part we got is right here, ladies and gents. It's the finished mat. It's waiting for y'all to jump all over and have a blast. So I will update you when the sheetrock goes in. Check out this view here, though. All those steel studs in there all the way down. That wall is about 50 feet long. And you just wait till you see this thing. It's going to knock your socks off. Oos!